So for today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to do a lip swatch ng Maybelline Shine Compulsion lipsticks. They used to be available sa Lazada, pero now they're like out of stock. You can add it to your wish list. Hopefully, i-restock nila because these are really good, you guys. Okay, so these are lipsticks. Ito pala ang packaging. Really, really cute. These are not new pala. Matagal na to. Pero for some reason, parang hindi ko siya, like, narinig. Or, alam mo yon, sa ilang taong ko nagme-makeup, parang hindi siya nakarating sa akin, sa aking radar. Pero nakita ko siya sa website ng Maybelline. You guys, iba to. These are lipsticks, but they're like lip butters, like lip moisturizers na glossy and like really comfortable and really moisturizing on the lips, but they're not long lasting, but it's okay to reapply. But I really like the effect on the lips, and ang sarap niya sa labi at nakaka-moisturize talaga siya ng lips. I mean, by the end of the day, your lips are not dry looking. Oh, by the way, dito sa Philippines, 4 lang yung available na shades, pero sa ibang bansa, there's like what, 10-15 shades available? Okay, so the first shade is called Seduction, Plum Seduction. Pag binuksan mo pala guys, ito ang kanyang itsura. So uneven na yung akin because I've been using this like so many times na. And you guys, para siyang oil-infused lipstick. So, madali siyang matunaw sa mainit. So, iwasan yung ilagay siya sa mainit. Kaya ako nilagay ko yung akin kanina sa ref because kanina sobrang init dito sa kwarto. Nalusaw siya. Anyway. This is Plum Seduction. And wag niyo masyadong ganunin na, like ilabas. Like, dapat nandyan lang siya. Tamang-tama lang. Saktong-sakto lang. So, eto siya on my arm. Sorry, chararat yung swatch. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang mga lipsticks na super pigmented. This is like a lip gloss but in a bullet type form. So, kung ayaw mo ng lip gloss type, but you want something sort of kind of glossy and shiny shimmering on your lips, you can go for this one. So yeah, Plum Seduction. Okay, so next shade is called Audacious Red. So ayan ang difference niya kay Plum Seduction. So this is Audacious Red. It's just a very nice reddish, shiny, shimmering, splendid. Next shade is called Red Hot Lust. So yan ang difference niya. Honestly, parang walang masyadong difference kay Audacious Red. But when I see it in person, parang si Red Hot Lust is deeper. Like, just very, very slight deeper. Pero feeling ko pag in-apply siya sa lips, parang, alam mo yan, it's the same thing. So this is Red Hot Lust on my lips. Last shade is called Provocative Red. Ayan. So see, Provocative Red is like pinakamagandang red sa tatlo. That's all I can say. Also the deepest, you guys. This is honestly like a lip gloss, but in a lipstick. Alright guys, so that is my lip swatch ng 4 shades ng Maybelline Shine Compulsion lipsticks. And again, I do recommend them. And yung shades na ma-recommend ko is Plum Seduction and Go Straight to Provocative Red. Siguro, try nyo to if you like yung popping red or something. Pero ako, itong dalawang to are like my favorite. And kaya ako na ganitong hair, it's definitely for the Plum Seduction. Kasi yun ang gagamitin ko for the thumbnail. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And be sure na napanood nyo yung part 1 nito, yung Maybelline Color Sensational Studio Color Collection. I also did a lip swatch. I'm gonna link it down below, alright? Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!